now the biggest problem is that we do get in a crash. And now we have potential for injuries and people that need medical attention. But many times we're talking about children that are involved in this. So some safety tips that you can give to your kids. You want to make sure that they know what to do in case of an emergency, that they know that they have a cell phone or something like that if they're going to be out on the road, that they can call 911, that they can use their camera phones to take pictures of license plates or people or whatever else they think might pass before they actually get help. And then they ultimately need to just be able to be calm and aware of how their bicycle works. If they can't ride their bicycle properly just riding it on their street or in front of your home, then they definitely shouldn't be out riding it in busy traffic areas or things like that until they have that skill level. They should really make sure that they're riding it in a safe, controlled environment. So if you're in your vehicle and you're driving around, you need to be aware that these bikes are out on the road. There can be designated lanes for them to be in. You have bike lanes that go all the way through that you have to be aware you can't turn into those bike lanes except in designated areas because you could be cutting off a bicyclist. At the same time, the bicyclist has to give due regard also to those motorists, and they can't jet out into the street where unexpected. They can't cross against red lights.
It's important that when we are riding these bikes, either in the bike lane or on the walkway through the parks that we brought up earlier, that we be mindful of those pedestrians. And we got to give the right of way to the pedestrians. One of the big things you can do is equip your bike with a bell, or even giving a verbal cue to the person that you're coming up on, that you're coming on their right or their left. Because these bikes, they're quiet. They're e-bikes. They don't make loud sounds, and people might not know that they're behind you.